How to invite members on Microsoft Teams for iPad. To invite a new member to the team, you need to open the Teams app on your iPad. Tap on the Teams button from the bottom. On every team, you have 3 dots near the name. Tap on those 3 dots. If you are not the owner of a team, you will be able only to view members, like I see for this team. Let's tap on the Other Team's 3 dots menu. You see here an option called Manage Members. Tap it. Plus button to add a new team member. Tap it. Write the email for your team member. You can invite a person as a member of the team. Tap Done. An invitation will be sent to the person's email. This is how you send an invitation to your team on Microsoft Teams for iPad. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.